Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account on the application of NFL. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, we will search about NFL. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of NFL. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget to support us.